Okay, go.
Hello, I'm Adrian Dahan, and welcome to the ECE 110 or Computer Interfacing. We are going to present to you our project, which is the H-Bridge control system. So for this project, we are going to run this project, we are going to have the following materials, which is the power supply, the personal computer, our personalized jumper with the alligator clip, and from the previous project, which is the parallel port bolted. So first, we are going to connect the following pins. So we use the data port pins. So using the data 1 connected to pin 1 of the H-bridge. Then the second for the second pin 2. Then the third to pin 3. And the last pin for the pin 4. So here we are going to have the power supply. So putting the positive of the power supply to the PCC. Then last for the ground. So setting our power supply to 5 volts. So we have set the power supply to 5 volts. Then we have this the main form of our Visual Basic design. So as we click a button, so we can see the main code. So we will try to run this. Then this is our GUI, graphical user interface, where controls are being setted. So first, we are going for the basic pin control. So this is pin 1, pin 2, pin 3, and pin 4. So for pin 1 and pin 2, as we click this and that, our dynamo is going for the clockwise manner.
Okay na.
Then for our pin 3 and pin 4 for the clockwise manner, as we click this, then our dynamo or propeller will turn for the clockwise manner. Here, you see. So then we try to stop. Then we have also the single push button here for the clockwise and for the counterclockwise. As we click for the clockwise, then we will see that for the clockwise manner. Then stop. Then for our counterclockwise manner. So here, it's moving for the counterclockwise manner. And again, stop. So it is our project, which is the H-bridge control system. Then thank you for listening, and see you next time for the second project.